Alright, so we're going to be making our bearing block out of this small piece of aluminum here. What I have on this piece of aluminum is a layout for the X, Y, and Z axis, along with the dimensions of the blank itself, and also the origin, or our the center of our work coordinate system. So what we see across here is the X direction is the long direction of the piece of metal. The Y direction is across here, and the Z is the height or the depth of the piece. This piece of aluminum is 3.5 inches long in the X direction. It is 1.5 inches wide in the Y direction, and in our Z direction, the thickness, it is 0.5 inches thick. One of the things that we need to be aware of here is we're actually only going to be using two tools. And those two tools that we're going to be using are our size F drill bit. We're actually going to use it to drill 3 holes, one right through the center of this oval hole, one right in the center of the part, right down the middle where that larger hole is, and then one right in the middle of this slot over here. Those 3 holes are really just starter points for the tool that comes next, which will be a 1/4 inch end mill. And that 1/4 inch end mill then machines everything else on this, and those machining operations include removing the top layer of aluminum to expose the top surface of our part. We call that facing. It will also do a profile around the side to cut the shape of our part. It will remove all the material in these slots where we have previously drilled it. It will remove all the material in this hole in the middle. It will also create a circular pocket in this larger area on the outside. And then finally, the last thing it will do is, after we turn this over in the vise, it will machine all this extra material off the bottom face. So, let's log into PathPilot Hub. What you're going to do is you're going to go to PathPilot Hub. That's hub.pathpilot.com, and you click Login. So you go to Login, you put in your information that you put in when you started your account in the last video. You submit, you log in. What you're going to do is you're going to start this virtual PathPilot machine. So we're going to say enter PathPilot. Once we do that, we're going to say connect. It's going to ask us to agree to their terms here. And say agree. All of this software is approved by the district. Then, Tormach makes a variety of machines that use this PathPilot controller. Okay, what we want to make sure we do is we're going to be selecting the right machine, which is a 770M Plus. Click on that. That's our machine right there. And I'm going to say save and start. Whenever you first start up a machine, or whenever you start this PathPilot Hub here, you always have to click reset. When you click reset, that establishes a connection between the controller and the machine. The next step is you always reference the Z-axis first, followed by the Y-axis, followed by the X-axis.